magnificent train!
And how gracefully the scarf hangs!
Hail to the King, the ruler of the land. Hail to the King, he is a royal man. Without a doubt, he's the one with all the clout. I'm glad I have the wisdom and can see. The magic clothes he's wearing, very chic and very daring. The best dressed king in all of history.
I still don't see any magic suit.
Quiet! Can't you behave in public?
But there is nothing there, except his underwear.
Imagination! Remember your imagination!
Well, just look at him.
Quiet!
He has nothing on at all.
He tells the truth! He has nothing on at all!
Hail to the King, let our voices loudly ring. Hail to the King, he's not wearing anything. The suit he thought he'd wear simply is not there. He's marching out in public in his long john underwear. Hail to the King, our leader and our star. Hail to the King, he's gone a bit too far. The swindlers did him in, now he's wearing just a grin. As anyone who's wise enough can see, the clothes he thinks he's wearing, nothing's there, how very daring. The most revealing king in history.
And so, our story comes to an end.
The emperor gave all of his clothes to the needy.
Well, he kept a few outfits for himself.
Yes, and he devoted much more of his time to the people of his kingdom.
The Farabuto brothers had disappeared during the parade and escaped the country. They took their fabrics and money and opened a swimsuit manufacturing company where they were able to convince people to spend large amounts of money for very little fabric.
Everyone in the kingdom returned to their fairy tale jobs and lived happily ever after. And the prince and princess never argued again.
What? Okay, I guess that would be too far-fetched, even for a fairy tale.